Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Binance Pay. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app, and at the very top or at the top right, you have Binance Pay right here. So just go ahead and tap on it, wait for it to load, and if it's your first time, okay, opening up Binance Pay, well, it will let you set up your account by creating a nickname and a secure pay PIN. So this PIN will be used to authorize transactions, so it's crucial to keep it safe, okay? Do not share your PIN with anyone. So once you have your PIN, okay, also make sure that your profile is completely verified or you have completed the KYC. That's just basically it. To activate it, just tap on Binance Pay at the top right, follow simple prompts, and after that, you'll be landed to your Binance Pay dashboard. And here you have it. You can receive, send, or send on chain. You also can claim red packets right here, mobile top up, dollar gains, convert, and so on and so forth. You could also use the QR right here if you want to pay. Alternatively, you can tap on the send to Binance user right here or send on chain. And this one right here got a bonus. All right, now that's how you activate your Binance Pay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.